The setting is an apartment in the Manchester Unity building, and the event is a 1920s soiree. A girl enters the kitchen. She's going to pour herself a drink. Wait, no, maybe I'll have the mystery guest approach her first. Wait, that's still not right. The mystery guest approaches her with the wine and pours her a glass. So, do you know about the history of this building?
No.
Really? Well, this building has the oldest escalator in Victoria.
Oh, really? But yeah, how do you know the host?
I don't.